Food prep just got easier with the Cuisinart Freshslice Drum Grater. Quickly and easily create fine or coarse shreds or slices of a variety of cheese, nuts, veggies, and chocolate. 3 durable stainless steel cutting drums allow you to prep food in less time with virtually no food wasted. The food pusher keeps fingers safely away from the blade, while the suction base keeps the unit stable while using. To use your drum grater, place the unit on a smooth countertop surface. Turn the lever to the lock position to secure the unit. Select a drum and insert it into the wide-angled mouth. While holding the drum in place, push the locking button down on the handle and align the knob with the drum. It will click into place. Cut the vegetables to fit into the feed tube. Place the food into the feeder and hold it in place with the food pusher. Turn the handle and apply slight pressure to the food pusher to begin cutting the food. To insert a different size drum, push the locking button down and remove the handle. Turn the lever to the release position to remove the unit from the countertop. Whip up colorful salads, mini hash browns, and delicious zucchini bread with little effort. Simple and easy to use. All removable parts except the housing are dishwasher safe. Bring Cuisinart's exclusive cutting technology into the kitchen with the Cuisinart Freshslice Drum Grater.